This pencil sharpener is hands down the best item purchased for my classroom. And let me show you why. It's going to take this pencil and fully sharpen it all hands-free. Watch. And it gives you a perfect sharpen every single time. Now, we all know this brand is the #1 teacher brand pencil, but not only does it do the #1 brand teacher pencil, it also does an off-brand pencil. Perfect every time. It even does wrapped pencils. I'm saying perfect every time. Doesn't stop there. It even does colored pencils. Perfect. And even erasable color pencils. So easy, my students can do it, and I've never had a pencil sharpener jam since. I'm telling you, buy this, it'll save your sanity in your classroom this year.